Hello, and welcome to the AirKeeper Dashboard, an exciting new interactive mapping tool that provides anyone with the ability to check real time air quality data across the state of North Carolina, along with other critical information related to pollution sources, demographics, and public health statistics. When you first open the dashboard, you'll be prompted to take a short tour of the dashboard's current available features. Let's go through them together and get an idea of what this tool is capable of. If you ever accidentally click out of or close the browser, you can click Tour Dashboard to restart the sequence. At the top of the screen is the main control panel, which functions similarly to other common mapping applications. You can enter an address, county, city, or site name and then click Go. Alternatively, you can select Use My Location to allow the application to navigate to your current location within the state of North Carolina. If you're searching for a specific air sensor, you can also enter its name or ID number in the search bar. To the right, you'll find additional tools, including options to report observations and print maps. Clicking Report an Observation will redirect you to a new tab where you can fill out a brief form describing what it is that you observed. Now let's talk about the side control panel. Here we can filter data by timeframes, sensor types, and various other visual result categories, including individual sensors, buffers, and county or zip code summaries. The Select Layers option allows the ability to add other contextual information into the map. You can select from pre-selected layers, such as potential pollution sources, health outcomes, demographics, and locations of interest. By clicking Add Data, we have the option to add our own data to the map by searching ArcGIS online, embedding a URL, or uploading a file from our own personal computer. Click Create a Report to create a detailed report for any selected location in the state of North Carolina. Next, we'll look at Map Controls, where we can explore and visualize data through a variety of options. At the top is our Home button, which will return the map to our default view. Below this is our Layers list, which allows you to toggle map layers on and off, or change their display order. View the map legend to interpret the symbols on visible data layers. The fourth option allows us to choose different base maps for different styles or displays. You can search through the base map gallery and find topographic maps, street maps, satellite imagery, aerial imagery, and others. This brings us to our Refresh button, which allows us to update sensor data to see the latest readings and retrieve our most recent data. Let's begin to interact with the map, or as we like to say, navigate the data landscape. You can zoom in and out by using the plus and minus buttons, scrolling with your mouse, or pinching on touchscreens. Pan around the map by clicking and dragging to move the map. You can also expand the map to full screen and exit back for a normal view. Here's one we might be familiar with from common weather applications or the Weather Channel. This is an air sensor legend. So how do we interpret this data? This legend explains the PM 2.5 or particulate matter 2.5 air quality index or AQI and concentration scales associated with air quality sensors, providing us context for potential health effects associated with each category. The air sensor legend remains visible on the map at all times. Click Show More Text to view your current settings for displaying air sensor data. It can also be viewed through the Legend button on the Map Control panel. Accessing the sensor table at the left of the control panel or at the bottom of the screen allows us to see data in detail. The sensor table displays purple air sensor observations in a table format. The data shown matches the user settings in the Filter Data tool under Visualize Results. Download data as a CSV file for further analysis. To get assistance, click the Help button to launch the AirKeeper Dashboard Help content and additional resources through the Clean Air NC website.